The number 48, driven by Gary Conrad. The brakeman is Woody Woodruff. GW Install, AMR, Tucker Towing and Auto, and FCQ Racing back entry. This is Hit and Run. The number 13, Jeff Poland is the driver. Gerryn Clausen is the brakeman. The Diamond Rental Kimball Midwest back entry of 6 feet under. The number 20, Rodney Park is the driver. Justin Tucker is the brakeman. Big insulation. Brandon Park roofing and fixed roll-off back entry of Shake, Rattle, and Roll. The number 5, Gage Taylor is the driver. Nathan Anderson is the brakeman. Taylor's car wash, intermounted transmission, and CD automotive back entry of Jack Wagon. The 88 train. Fortunately, I do not have any information on it. I can get it ready. I can need the crash test done. Okay. This is going to be a 10-lap feature for the Western States Equipment Figure 8 trains here tonight at Rocky Mountain Raceway. And we're ready. This is a rarity in a Western States Equipment Figure 8 train race, as we are going to have an Everest Collision caution flag wave on this opening lap. And of course, as you can see over there in turn number 1, we have quite the traffic jam. So this will be a complete restart for the Western States Equipment Figure 8 trains.